McDonald.
Devin, look.
Yeah, McDonald. Hey, he's not even looking.
Look at Uncle. Say hi. Hi.
This guy grown up. Devin, what you doing? Get extra fries instead of apple, and then with the chocolate.
Okay, and would you like barbecue sauce?
Yeah.
Anything else?
And also, let me get the slushy flavor.
Show Uncle what you got. Show Uncle. Donald.
That's so cool. Hey, man. He gets McDonald's like almost every day. No, he's like I'm a big kid. You'll be the only one there. We're here, Devin.
You go? What's that over there? Yeah?
I gotta drink my milk first. Devin and my brother-in-law made it there already. Devin, where you going? Up there. Come on. Where you running to? Wrong way. Let's go. Yeah, she came back to wait for me, huh? Come on, go on a slide, go on a swing. Enjoy your time here. We don't come here too often, Devin. Come on, let's go. Go on. You waiting for grandmom, huh? Come on, Devin, let's go. This guy actually walking slow, huh? Try to scare him. Oh no!
Stop it! Stop it! Mom!
Okay, come on. Come on, man. Come on. Come on, baby. You're gonna be stuck up there.
Go.
He's afraid to cross the bridge. Yeah, right.
Yeah, go. Walk over there.
No.
Yeah, go. Yeah, go. Come on, that way.
This guy he's actually scared now. Hey man, where you walking to, Devin?
Yeah, come on.
Be careful, man. Yeah. Focus. Okay, take your time.
No.
He's like, nope. I'm retracting backwards.
Come on. Come on.
He's like, come get me.
You need help? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, come on.
He's not too confident.
See? Come on. Hey, hold hands. Come on. Stop right here.
This guy really closed his eyes.
See? See?
He's like, nope. Safety first. Be careful, Devin. This guy. supposed to be the other way around. Say cheese. Guess I'm gonna be the kid for the day. I'm gonna go down the slide. I've been on the slide since 12 years now. Bye, Devin. Devin, look, come on. Devin. Hey, you don't even look. Come on, Devin. Come on. Whee. Climb up. I'm gonna try out this other baby slide. Come on, boy, push, push. Push it. He looks confused. We going, boy? Look at this guy.
But Devin, what are you doing?
Acting like the caveman, huh? Hunter-gatherer? Huh? We gonna make a fire, boy? I have no idea where he's taking us to.
Devin, grandpa over there.
Man, we took this guy to the park to go play with the slide and the swing. He's over there gathering woods. Guess he think we're going camping, or he's gonna take it home as a souvenir. I don't know. What you got there, Devin? I think he's going to look for Bigfoot. Hey, what you looking for, man? This guy collecting pieces of woods and leaves. Now you ready to go home. Hunter-gatherer, aka Mr. Devin. I know if Dad sees it, he likes it. He probably would pick it. You know, why go to Home Depot? You get this for free. Look at this guy. He beat us to the van. He's like, I got my collection. Let's go home, Grandpa. Uncle, Grandpa. All right, we're done. Oh, he's waiting for someone to open the door. He's like, open, open. Got you, man. Okay, let's go. Yep, there goes your van, Hoy. Yep.
Oh, what happened over here? Tree fall off.
Probably.
Wow.
You think someone broke it?
No wind.
That's some pretty strong wind.
Yeah. Because some animal go up there and just kind of.
Evergreen Community Center Park.